Hey everyone, I'm Kristen Kenny at the Vivint Demo House, and today I want to show you how to add an authorized user to your account and give them access to your system. Let's get started. Open the Vivint app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Tap Users, Add User, and type in the new user's name and PIN. Tap the toggle to allow mobile access or to make them an admin. Then tap Add User. You will then be directed to send an invitation to the user's mobile number or email. You can also customize user access choices. For example, you can limit their access to certain cameras or entry points. You can also see their mobile access activity. If you make a new user an admin, they will have access to your full system. If you have any questions about how to add users to your account or your Vivint smart home system, visit support.vivint.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notifications so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.